All right, so the first one I have for us tonight is, of course, text-based content is important, but creating text-based content does take time and can take effort as well too. So being that tonight is about video, there's a good reason why you should be recording video for your content, because what you can do with a site like this, which is video2blog.ai, is you can record a video, you can whip over to YouTube, which I'll just go and do right now. And once you've uploaded your video to your YouTube channel, of course, there'll be a link there that you can share out to other people or that other people can share. So this is the Smashco YouTube channel. And let's go and click on those three little dots there, and we will grab the link by clicking that share icon, and there is the link there. Copy that link, head back to video to blog, and then we can paste that link into the area for the video, and then click that video to blog. Video to blog. So what it will do is you will need to sign up an account for it. And once you've done that, you will get a free version of it. And what it will do is it does transcribe your video, but it does more than that. It turns it into a blog post, which has got a title in it. It's got all your heading tags in it as well too. So it does break it up and put the H1, H2, H3 tags, etc. in there. And it creates a well-read or a well-constructed article from the video that you've got in YouTube. So that way it's really easy to create, sort of a text-based version of what your video was. It's not a transcription. It is an edited version of your video, and it does do things like takes out the ums and ahs and some of those filler words, and it turns it into an article that is reasonably easy to read. It also turns it into an article that is good for your search engine optimization. So they have got tools in there that really help with search, so that your articles do get found. So now it is a paid one, but they do have a free trial with it as well too. So go ahead and check it out. If you've got some videos, or even if you don't have videos, got opportunity to record a video after tonight's session and turn it into text-based content, which of course you can use on your website. You can repurpose it into social media posts, turn them into lead magnets or white papers. So all sorts of uses that you can use for them. So that link there is video2blog.ai. And these links, we will drop these into chat so that you can save the chat at the end of the evening, and then you can click on the links and explore them at your leisure. If you're not sure where chat is, it is in the Zoom toolbar at the bottom of your screen. There's an icon there that looks like two little speech bubbles or three dots in it. It says chat below it. If you click on that, that will open up chat, and we will drop the links into that. Feel free to introduce yourself into chat as well too, so you're more than welcome to do that. All right, next app that we've got is an alternative to Calendly or Acuity. Some of those calendar booking programs that are available that are all pervasive now, and they certainly make our life a lot more convenient by being able to send people a link to your calendar and have them choose a time to book in with you. So this particular one is called useace.com. It is just like most of the booking calendars out there, with one exception to it. Well, actually a couple of exceptions to it. One is they've got this feature called Round Robin, which is, I thought it was here. No, it's not there. They've got a feature called Round Robin. And what that means is if you've got more than just you in the business, so if you've got staff there or virtual assistants, then what Round Robin means is that, if you're busy and have already got an appointment booked, then it will then select your next staff member to book an appointment with. If that next staff member is busy, then it then moves on to the next staff member. So it means that people will generally always get the opportunity to meet with someone in your business. So definitely good for organizations that have sort of a number of staff in there that are happy to or able to talk with clients. This ensures that they do get someone to chat with that Round Robin feature. The great thing about this is that there is a free plan with it. But the other thing they've got is a lifetime plan as well too. So you pay for it once and you never pay for it again. So that's unlike any of the other calendars that are out there. There is a lifetime plan with this. So if you want to check that out, just click the Get Started for Free button, and then inside it will present you with other options to upgrade, and particularly that lifetime deal to upgrade as well too. So the one there is called useace.com. Next site I have for you is zap.ai, so ZAAP.ai. So this is a place to put all of your links or your bio links. So, for those, say, social media sites where you put in your website URL or a link, and you can generally only have one link, then this is what this app is used for. So instead of using your website as your link, you can use zap.ai, and then inside, when people click through to zap.ai, then this becomes almost like your CV. So, has your name, your business, your USP, links to your other social media profiles. You can drop in blog posts or your latest blog posts. You can have, programs that you're selling, products and services in there. You can have places for people to book an appointment with you. So it's almost like a one-page website that allows you to have more than just links on it to, say, your social media sites and your website. So people can actually, purchase of it. So it can be linked to a payment gateway as well too. You can have your lead magnets there for people to download as well too. And the good thing about this one is that it also, if you've created, if you're publishing blog posts on a regular basis, then what it shows in here is your most recent blog post. So the feed comes in, shows your most recent blog post, does it all automatically. You don't have to do any of that at all. So, so it is a very convenient place to store your bio, and this is the sort of thing that you can give out to people. If you've got a QR code, you can give this out to people, but you can also put it in your social media profiles as well too, for people to come and find you and to search for or click on the links to the different places that you exist online. So I'm going to call zap.ai. And the next one I have is one called infography.com. And this one's essentially slide decks. Slide decks are things like PowerPoint presentations or Google Slides, but they can be used for all sorts of situations. They can be used for sales presentations or pitch decks. They can be used for, Zoom presentations. They can be used for, walkthroughs or video walkthroughs on your website and for social media as well too. So if you don't have a graphic design skill in your body, then these ones here are great because you've got a whole lot of templates you can pick and choose from as well too. And if you do have a graphic design sense in your body as well, then it again provides a good starting point for you as well. So some of the use cases with this as well is that you can create KPI dashboards. So, if there are things that you want to track in your business, like, sort of daily revenue or number of leads that have come in through your lead magnet, number of clicks to your website, then, if that data gets entered into a spreadsheet, then you can use that to automatically populate the slides so it appears as your dashboard on your computer or on your phone. A ton of templates there. It connects with PowerPoint, Keynote, and Google Slides, so it covers most of them. And there's a heap of other functions that are in there as well too, which I won't go through just now. But they do have the good thing about this too is that you're only paying once. So this one is a lifetime deal. So they've got two pricing plans. So once you pay for it, you've got access to this for life. And I think this runs out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it runs out in about a day's time as well. So you've got sort of about a day to make up your mind as to whether this is going to be useful for you. So that one there is called infography.com. And the last one I have to share with you is a book. And this is a book, actually, interesting enough, that we were talking about our kids. This is one, I went out to lunch with my daughter the other day, and this is a book that she's listening to on Audible. It's called The Mountain Is You by Brianna Wiest. And what this covers is it's not strictly a business book, but it is a business book in the sense that it deals with self-sabotage. So anyone that is an entrepreneur probably has struck this thing called self-sabotage, where things can be going all well, and then you decide to do something that tumbles down one aspect of your business. And so this explains why that happens, when it happens, and more importantly, how we can actually stop this behavior here so that we can keep growing our business and climb that mountain to success. So that mountain is you. It is a metaphor that she uses in the book there. So that book is available on Amazon, on either paperback, Kindle, or audiobook. I happen to have the audio version of that, and that is what I'm listening to at the moment. And that there is a roundup of our cool online tools for this evening. So let's drop into chat. What was your favorite one? We'll drop all of those tools. Actually, they're in chat right now. So all of those tools are in as the last post in chat. So if you can't quite remember them, they are in there as the last post. So just jot down there, which is your favorite one, just to give me a bead on, which ones are most relevant for you. And of course, these are apps and tools. We'll drop these into the Business Owners Smashing It Online Facebook group. They'll be available during the week. If you're not a member of that group, now's a great time to head over to Facebook, go and search for Business Owners Smashing It Online, and go and request to join that group. We'll approve you into that. And in fact, the link for that is in chat now as well too. And of course, the previous apps and tools, they are in chat there for you to go and explore yourself as well. And if there happens to be an app and tool that you think would be helpful or useful, or maybe you don't even know about it, you can just do a search and you'll find all sorts of tools in there. All right, what have we got there? So which are the ones that have taken your fancy? We've got Zap, Video to Blog, the book, Video to Blog. Video to Blog. It looks like the Video to Blog is the one that is going to capture most of our attention. So I'm glad that we have Dr. Chris on tonight to talk to us about how to be confident in front of camera, because of course that's going to help you when you are generating the text version of that as well too. Excellent. Well, that does bring me to that segment where I get to introduce Dr. Chris and our topic for tonight. Before I do, these cool online tools, the reason why we bring these to you, hopefully they're helpful for you. If you're not sure which ones are going to be useful for you, or if you're thinking that you do need to automate parts of your business, and maybe there's some tools out there for you, and you do want some help with it, then feel free to reach out to me through our website, smashgo.co. And we do have a range of packages and plans that can help you with that.